Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study while listening to music. First, let's talk about choosing the right tunes. Instrumental music, without any lyrics, is generally best to prevent your brain from trying to process both the words and your study material. Think classical, lo-fi, or ambient genres. Keep the volume at a moderate level, perhaps around 40 to 50 decibels, so it's present but not distracting. This helps create a consistent, calming background for your work. Next, let's optimize your study environment. A clutter-free space, both visually and audibly, is crucial. Consider using noise-canceling headphones. They can be incredibly effective at blocking out any unwanted sounds from your surroundings, allowing your chosen music to be the primary auditory input. Before you even hit play on your playlist, make sure all your books, notes, and supplies are ready. This minimizes interruptions once you're in the zone. Safety is paramount, and both vehicles are well-equipped. The Acura TLX comes with Acura Watch, a suite including collision mitigation braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. The Infiniti Q50 also provides a comprehensive safety package, featuring standard forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and lane departure warning. Both sedans aim to provide peace of mind on every journey with their advanced driver assist systems. Finally, continuously monitor your concentration. If you find yourself humming along or getting distracted by the music, it might be time for an adjustment. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 25 to 30 minutes, to give your mind a quick reset. If the music consistently pulls your attention away, don't hesitate to pause it. Sometimes, silence is indeed golden, and it's perfectly fine to study without any background sound.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.